This is lesson 19-10, try, check, and revise. Our essential question, how can you try, check, and revise to solve a problem? There's no vocab for this lesson. Example 1. Find possible prices for 4 kinds of yogurt at a store. What are the 4 possible prices if the mean price is 73 cents? So I know I have 4 different numbers, and the mean has to be 73 cents. So pretty much you're doing some trial and error. You don't want to make really big numbers because that wouldn't make sense. Our mean is pretty small, 73 cents. But you don't want to go very small either, like 1 cent. That's not going to be something that's going to help us. We're trying to get numbers close to 73. So let's go ahead and try some numbers. Let's try 72 cents plus 75 cents. So I've got one smaller, one bigger, plus 78 cents, plus 70 cents. And let's add all those up, and then we'll divide by 4 because there's 4 numbers. So we got $2.95 divided by 4. Bring that decimal up. Now 4 can't go into 3, so we would add a 0. And 4 can't go into 2, so we add a 0. And we were very close. We got 73 and 75 hundredths, which if we round to the nearest hundredth, we get 74 cents. So we're very close. We just need to change about one of our data points. Now, since our answer was just a little bit too high, we might want to bring one of our numbers down a little bit. So let's try that. Let's try 71 cents instead of 72. And let's keep all the other 3 the same. 75 cents, 78, and 70 cents. And of course, we add them all up again, bring the decimal straight down. And we get $2.94 this time. So let's go ahead and try dividing that by 4 because we have 4 numbers. Bring the decimal straight up. And we got 73 this time. And, 73 735 thousandths, which rounds up again to 74 hundredths. So we would need to bring it down just a little bit more. So let's take 71 and bring it to 70 cents. So here's our last attempt. 70 cents plus 75 cents plus 78 cents plus 70 cents, which gives us $2.93. We divide that by 4 because there's 4 numbers. And when we do that, we get 73. Well, we get 7,325 10,000ths. But when we round to the nearest hundredth, it stays the same, so we get 73 cents. So our four possible prices were these four up here that we just tried: 70 cents, 75 cents, 78 cents, and 70 cents. As you see, there's just a lot of trial and error with these questions. Example 2. An electronics store sells 3 kinds of printers. The mean price of a printer at the store is $150. What are possible prices for 3 printers the store sells? This one's a little bit easier because 150 is kind of easy to work with. Let's go with one printer could cost 100. One printer could cost 150. And the last printer could cost $200. We add those up to find the mean, and we get $450. We're dividing it by 3 because we have 3 numbers. And we divide like normal. And we got a mean of 150. So our 3 printers could have cost these 3 prices. You have one practice problem. Don't forget a word problem or a question, and rate your understanding.